Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making those dreams all come true? What can I do to help you, to help put your life on a higher level? If you and me can work together and get your next bit of adventure started, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here's your quote for today. Remind yourself, if it was easy, then everybody would be doing it. Now, we already know this deep down, but so many people choose to take the easy route in life. If what you really want to do with your life was easy, or to get it, to achieve it, then every single person will be doing it as well. Now, luckily for you, you do have two options. You can either sit on your ass all day complaining, or you get out there and make some magic happen to help you chase down what you really want to do in life. The choice is always yours.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.